My name is Kelly Olson, and I have the privilege and the opportunity to share with you a little bit about our upcoming course, From Pain to Promise. I am so excited about this course. It's something that has been years in the making in regards to prayer and preparation, and we are so excited. We have been honored to be able to host events for the past 3 years, and we decided that we needed to go a little bit deeper, that it's very powerful to hear the stories of women and what they've overcome, but it's even more powerful to have some extra time to gain tools and to gain insight from those women that have overcome. So if you were at our Rise of the Overcomer event, you had the opportunity to hear from some of these brave women of strength and faith. Some of my precious friends, you got to hear from Tracy and Alexandria and Amy and Joan, and these are the women that are going to be sharing with us in the upcoming weeks, starting on Thursday the 18th and going through April 15th. But these are going to be powerful, powerful nights. And one of the things that I was recently made aware of is one of the most effective ways that we can build our resilience is to hear the stories of others. It literally, I had to take notes because somebody was telling me all about how this works. But resilience, it neurologically rewires our brains when we hear the stories of others. So it creates new neural pathways in our minds to help us know that if God can bring that woman through what she's been through, whatever we are facing, God will bring us through as well. So I really hope that you join us. Register. The link is below, and we look forward to seeing you on the 18th.